Question. Obtain the inverse of the following matrix using elementary row operation. Okay. A is equal to matrix 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. To use elementary row operation, we may write A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA, where I is the identity matrix. Here I is of order 3. Therefore, we write here A is equal to this matrix, the given matrix 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay, that is equal to here I is the identity matrix of order 3. Okay, so we write here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, into A. Okay, we need to convert equation 1 into I is equal to A inverse into A. Okay, we need to convert this matrix into identity matrix using elementary row transformation. Here the first element is 0. So we interchange R2 and R1. That is for making A11 position element as 1. Okay, that is we write here first row 1, 2, 3 and second row 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. And then write the third row 3, 1, 1. Okay. Also we interchange R1 and R2 here. Okay. So we write first row as 0, 1, 0. Okay. 0, 1, 0. Next 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. And third row 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 into 8. Okay. Now we get here 1. Okay. Here we need to convert 3 to 0. Okay. So first we write 1, 2, 3 as first row. Second row 0, 1, 2. Okay. Here also we write 0, 1, 0 as first row and 1, 0, 0 as second row. Okay. Next we use the transformation R3 tends to R3 minus 3 R1. For converting 3 into 0, we use the transformation R3 tends to R3 minus 3 R1. Okay. So we write here R3 is 3 minus, okay, 3 into R1. Here R1 is equal to 1. So we write 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So we write here 0. Next element 1. Here R3 is 1. Okay, so we write 1 minus 3 R1. That is 3 into 2. Okay, that is we get 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5. So we write here minus 5. Okay, also the third element, that is 1, also 1. So we write R3 is 1 minus 3 into R1. Here R1 is 3. So we write 2. Okay. We get 1 minus 9, that is equal to minus 8. So we write here minus 8. In this matrix, here 0, so that is R3 0. 0 minus 3 R1, that is 0. Okay. 0. We get here 0. So we write here 0. Okay. Next element is 0. Also here we write R3 0 minus 3 into R1. Here R1 is 1. So we write here minus 3. Okay. Here we get minus 3. Next element is 1. So here R3 is 1. We get 1 minus 3 into. Here R1 is 0. So we write here 0. We get 1. So we put here 1. Next we consider the first non-zero element in second row. Okay, first non-zero element in second row. It is 1. Okay. Next we convert 2 and minus 5 into 0 using elementary transformation. Write second row of 2 matrix here. That is 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0. For making 2 to 0. Using the transformation R1 tends to R1 minus 2 R2. Okay. Here first element is 1. So we write here R1 1 minus 2 into R2 here is 0. That is equal to we get 1. So we write here 1. Okay. Next element is 2. So we write R1 2 minus 2 into R2 1. That is equal to we get 2 minus 2. That is equal to 0. So we write here 0. Okay. Next element 3. So we write 3 minus 2 into R2 here 2. Okay. 2. So we get 3 minus 4. That is equal to minus 1. Write minus 1 here. Also we write in this matrix here the R1 first element is 0. So we write 0 minus 2 into here R2 is 1. So we write 1, that is equal to minus 2. We get here minus 2. Okay. Next element is 1. Okay. So we write 1 minus 2 into R2. R2 here is 0. So we get 1. So we write here 1. Next element 0. Here 0 minus 2R2, that is 2 into 0. We get 0. For making minus 5 to 0, we use the transformation R3 tends to R3 plus 5R2. Okay, here R3 first element is 0, so we write 0 plus 5 into R2, 0. Okay, so we get here 0. Write 0. Next element minus 5. We get minus 5 plus 5 into R2. R2 is 1. That is equal to we get 0. So we write here 0. Okay, next element is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 into R2. R2 2. Okay, that is equal to minus 8 plus 10. We get 2. Write 2 here. Okay, next consider the second matrix. Here the element 0. So we write 0 plus 5 into R2 is here 1. So we get 5 here. Write 5 here. The element is minus 3. We get minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus 5 into R2, that is 5 into 0. 5 into 0. We get minus 3. Okay, write minus 3 here. Next 1. So we write 1 plus 5 into R2. R2 here is 0. So we get 1. Okay. Next to consider the first non-zero element in the third row, that is 2. Make it into 1. Okay, for that we use the transformation R3 tends to R3 by 2. Okay, first row 1 0 minus 1. Okay, second row 0 1 2. Here we divide R3 by 2. We get 0 by 2, that is 0. 0 by 2 0. 2 by 2 1. Okay, next here write first row minus 2 1 0. Second row 1 0 0. Okay, third row we divide by 2. We get here 5 by 2. Minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into 8. Next we convert 2 and minus 1 into 0 for making identity matrix. Okay, use the transformation. Here we write the third row 0 0 1 and here the third row 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 1 by 2. Okay, using this transformation R1 tends to R1 plus R3 we write. Here first element is 1. That is R1 is 1. 1 plus here R3 is 0. Okay, we get 1 plus 0 here 1. Next element is 0. We write 0 plus here R3 is 0. Okay, we get 0. Next element is minus 1. That is minus 1 plus here R3 is 1. We get 0. Okay. In this matrix, first element is minus 2. So here R1 plus R3 minus 2 plus here R3 is 5 by 2. So we get minus 4 plus 5 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Okay, we write first row first element 1 by 2. Okay, next element is 1, so we write 1 plus here R3 is minus 3 by 2. That is we write minus 3 by 2. 1 2 minus 3 by 2. We get minus 1 by 2. Write minus 1 by 2. Okay, next element is 0, so we write 0 plus 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2. Next we write the second row using the transformation R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R3. Okay, here R2 is first element 0. So we write 0 minus 2 into R3 here is 0. Okay, we get 0. So here second row first member is 0. Next element 1. So we write 1 minus 2 into here R3 is 0. So we get 1. Okay, we write 1 here. Next element is 2. We write 2 minus 2 into R3. R3 is 1. That is we get 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Write 0 here. Next we write R2 here. For that we use 1 0 0. That is first element is 1. We write here R2 1 minus 2 into R3 here is 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled. We get 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 4. Write minus 4 as first element in second row. Next element is 0. So we write 0 minus 2 into R3 minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Negative into negative we get positive. That is positive 3. Here we write 3. Okay. Next element is 0. So we write 0 minus 2 into here R3 is 1 by 2. We get 2 get cancelled. We get minus 1. Okay, second row is minus 4, 3, minus 1. And now we get matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. becomes an identity matrix. Okay, that is equal to matrix 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 5 by 2 negative 3 by 2 1 by 2 into A. Now it is of the form I is equal to A inverse into A. So A inverse is this matrix. Okay, so we write therefore A inverse is equal to matrix 1 by 2 negative 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 5 by 2 negative 3 by 2 1 by 2.